Hello mamas, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can use the birthing ball for exercising during pregnancy. So birthing ball is a great tool both during pregnancy and labor to help move things along as well as help you deal with some of the common discomforts during pregnancy like lower back pain. Exercising on the birthing ball is great for promoting pelvic mobility as well as opening up the pelvis, which is great for engaging the baby's head into the pelvis, which in turn will help you have a faster and easier labor. These exercises will also help you deal with lower back pain, which is also very common, especially in the last trimester of the pregnancy. Before we get started, make sure that you have a good quality ball which is properly inflated and can take your weight. When you sit on the ball, it should be stable so that your feet are flat on the ground and your hips are either parallel or slightly above the knees. This helps in promoting optimal fetal positioning. We'll talk more about that in a separate video. If you feel a bit wobbly on your ball, you can keep it near a wall or near a chair so that you can take support when you sit on the ball. I always recommend that before you start any pregnancy exercise routine, you check with your doctor that you're okay to start that. Exercise on the birthing ball during pregnancy are generally quite safe. However, if you have any complications like low-lying placenta or have had any bleeding in the past, I would recommend it is best that you check with your doctor before starting this. So if you have your birthing ball ready, let's get going. The first exercise that we'll do today are called pelvic tilts. So you sit on top of your ball with your feet firmly planted on the ground and knees wide apart so that there is enough room for your belly. You can keep your hands on your knees or your hips, and then we'll just start rocking side to side. So you just go from left to right and back. We'll do about 10 of these. This is great for mobilizing the pelvis. I think we have done about 10. Now we'll do front to back. So you just roll forward and go back. Roll forward and go back. Back. So we'll again do 10 of these. You can actually do as many of these as you want. These are great and you also just feel great while doing them. Right, next we'll do circles. So let's just go making a circle with our bottom. Let's do about 5 of these in clockwise direction. And let's go in the opposite direction. Nice big circles. And last one. Very good. So the next one is side to side lunges. So for this, just take your feet a bit more wider apart and then you go towards the right side and straighten the left leg, and then you go to the other side. Let's just go side to side about 5 times. So these are also great for opening the middle pelvis, which will again help in engaging your baby's head. I think we are done. So these were some exercises which you can do while sitting on top of the ball, and you can do them anytime while watching TV. Now I'll tell you a couple of exercises which you can do using the ball, but you're not on top of the ball. So if you're already towards the end of your pregnancy and you are doing your full squats for engaging the baby's head into the pelvis, you can also use the ball for that. So I generally wedge the ball between 2 walls so that it doesn't move or slip. And then you just come near the wall and taking support of the wall, you go down into your full squat and then just lean against the ball. So this will help you to stay in the squat for a longer time and which in turn helps in opening the inlet of the pelvis to help engage the baby's head. And you can just stay here for a few minutes and then you slowly come out. The next exercise is great for your lower back pain. So you keep the ball in front and then you sit on your heels with your knees wide apart. You bring the hands onto the ball and then you slowly start rolling the ball forward and gently stretch your entire back. You'll feel a nice stretch in your shoulders and lower back. Make sure you have enough space between your knees for your bump. And then you can also rock side to side here. And then slowly come up. You can also use the ball for just relaxing on top of it. So you just bring your arms onto the ball and then you can just be on all the fours and relax here. This is also great for promoting optimal fetal positioning. As I said before, we'll talk more about this in a separate video. And you come back. So these were some exercises that you can do using a birthing ball at home during pregnancy. I hope you found this useful and these will help you to have a great birthing experience. I'll see you with a new video next week. Till then, bye-bye and take care.